next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to our last game for our elimination round. It will be against the CSPC Blue Stallions and the Biscast Spartans. Makakasama niyo pa rin po ako. I am Christina Canza-Reyes, and with me, our guest commentator this afternoon, Aljon Pogoy.
Well, good afternoon, Bicolanja.
Ayan nga, Aljon.
Excited for me, to go back here.
Ayan, Aljon, ito, pag-usapan muna natin itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Yung ating Biscast Spartans ay meron na pong isang panalo at 6 na talo. While on the other side, the CSPC Blue Stallions, meron na silang 4 na panalo at 3 talo.
That's right, Tin. So, last day of elimination, both teams are trying to hang on and, to showcase their best performance and really, nasa kanila talaga yung skills and kakayahan. At dito lang yung execution nila. Since this is the last day, they're fighting not just for themselves, but they are fighting for their school and their pride.
At ayan nga, we're starting the first quarter of the game of the CSPC and Biscast. First basket nga mapupunta sa CSPC Blue Stallions. At ngayon nga, doon sa mga huling laban itong ating Biscast Spartans, nakikita natin yung kanilang mahirap talaga kung mag-convert ng point dito sa side ng Biscast, pero first timer sila sa Bucal, kaya it's a great opportunity para sa kanila. It is a training ground for them. And to hear an update all the way from the side of the Biscast, let's hear it from Bea. Hi Bea, anong balita natin dyan?
Magandang hapon, Bucal fans. This is Veronica Nacario, your Cardinals reporter, and we're here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. The Biscast Spartans take on the CSPC Blue Stallion in today's second round matchup of Bucal Season 6. The Spartans are eager to continue their streak and secure another win, while the Blue Stallions are determined to keep their momentum and stay dominant. Both teams have everything to prove and the stakes are high. Stay tuned as the action unfolds live here at One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Let's witness an unforgettable battle.
Thank you so much. So both teams has everything to prove. So it's winner takes all, Tin. And let's see kung paano nila haharapin ang isa't isa. It's now 2-all. And now to give us an update all the way from CSPC, let's hear it from Amanda.
Yan, babalikan natin yung ating courtside reporter na si Amanda from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. But as of the moment, naubusan nga ng oras dyan sa side ng Stallions and Biscast. At ayun nga, the ball will stay on the side of the Biscast Spartan. At babalikan natin si Amanda. Hi Amanda, anong update dyan sa side ng CSPC Blue Stallions?
Thank you, Aljon and Teen. Magandang hapon, Bicolandia. You are tuning in here at Bucal Official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, the battle between CSPC Blue Stallions and Biscast Spartans. This is Amanda Lazar, your courtside reporter, all the way from the bench of Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. After the defeat met by the Stallions last time, they are now ready to heat up the hard court. Nakulangan nga sa trainings ang Stallions, pero uhaw naman sila na makabawi ngayong araw. Earlier, Coach Peter said to the players to don't be too overwhelmed and be focused throughout the game. With their 4-3 standing, they are now ready to claim their 5th win. Pinaghandaan ang effective communication and unity inside the hard court at pinaalala ng coaches na bigyan ng patience ang larong ito. Well, all of the hard work of the Stallions is, of course, for the CSPC community. With all their trainings, struggles, and practice, we will now witness a more compassionate players who will drive the ball for the pride of CSPC. That's the latest update on the side of CSPC Blue Stallions. This is Amanda reporting. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Amanda. It's 4-3 standing. It's about unity and patience. Well, that's an advantage for CSPC to have a good standing, because I think ito yung gagamitin nilang backbone heading against the Biscast now on the free throw.
Yeah, jersey number 19 ni Yangar. At 3 puntos nga yung hawak ngayon ng Biscast Spartan. And that's another free throw para sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Now it will be the ball possession of the Biscast.
Now a good steal, Tien. for CSPC, and a good pass. No good. And that was a good communication for CSPC. Now it's 6-5. No, it's tie. It's 5-5. Now Biscast is trying to recalibrate things here. And a good steal for CSPC. Now, jersey number 7, a good pass. And a good shoot.
Now Ateneo, back-to-back points coming from him. Jersey number 8 talagang nagpapakitang gilas dito sa side ng Blue Stallions. Now let's see. 2 puntos ang hinahabol ngayon ng ating Spartans. Now jersey number 11 now with 10 seconds to shoot here. Ramos passes on the inside. A steal from the side of the Blue Stallions here. Ateneo again. Basket count with the foul here. Chance for a 3-point play.
Well, that was a good defense for the CSPC. In terms of speed, mas makikita mo talagang mabilis dito ang CSPC compare sa Biscast. However, start pa lang naman to ng first quarter. And I'm sure mag-a-adjust pa naman sila. And since naghahabol nga sila dito, they have to double their effort.
At ito talaga yung kailangan ng Biscast from the start of their journey dito sa Bucal Season 6. Kitang-kita naman sa standing nila, 1 win and 6 losses. Ito yung kailangan nilang gawan ng paraan. But sabi nga natin kanina, it's a great opportunity sa kanila, itong ating Bucal, para talagang ma-practice nila yung galing nila sa basketball. But now, as we can see, hindi din naman sila nagpapatalo dahil 4 na puntos lamang yung kanilang hinahabol dito against the Blue Stallions.
Now we'll see on how they can take over the momentum here and hopefully the lead. Because, you know, I'm seeing that they're also doing their best. Although they aren't too tall. Pero sabi nga nila, pag mabababa daw or hindi masyadong gifted sa height, mabibilis. So let's see on how they can take over that.
Bumawi naman sila sa pagkalikse, di ba?
That's
Yung
true
mga ating short players dito sa Bucal Season 6. But now, Ateneo on the free throw line. And that's good for a 3-point opportunity for him. Now, this is a chance for Biscast Spartans. 5 puntos na po ang hinahabol nila. Now, Busito passes on the other side for a 3-pointer. Ito yung sinasabi natin, Aljun eh. Magaling itong ating Spartans. Kailangan lang talaga nila na buhayin yung kanilang mga spirit when it comes to playing basketball. Now, steal from the side of the Spartans.
Now, let's see kung makaka-back-to-back points sila dito. Jersey number 4, looking for his teammate. Balik kay jersey number 4. Tres, no good. And a good rebound. Now, CSPC here. And another good pass. A good communication and resulted in a good point.
Ateneo again with that point. Mukhang mainit-init dito sa loob ng court si Ateneo. Now let's see. Benito passes to Busito. 14 seconds to shoot. Ramos for a 3-pointer again. And with that, 1 puntos na lamang po yung hinahabol ng ating Biscast. Napakaganda ng simula dito ng Spartans sa ating first quarter.
Yan ang sinasabi natin. Hindi gaanong gifted sa height but the outside shooting of Biscast talaga namang umaarangkada. Now, an inside pass in a good, you know, ang ganda ng communication dito ng CSPC. Kahit malalayo yung passes, inside passes, talagang lumulusot at nakakonvert ng points.
Ayan, kailangan pag-iihan pa ng Biscast yung kanilang depensa dito. And as of the moment, another turnover for the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And now, jersey number 15 did that. Nohara for that 2 points.
Now, Biscast here. Ramos looking for his teammate. Guarded here. Jersey number 27. Another 3-point attempt. No good. And the ball will go to CSPC. 16-11. 3 minutes and 55 seconds.
Ayan nga, naitaas muli sa 5 ang kalamangan dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, Diang with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot here for the side of the Blue Stallions. Diang. Guarded here, diretso, and another point conversion for the side of the Blue Stallions.
Hindi doon nahabol ang depensa ng Biscast. And now Ramos here. And an inside pass, nahihirapan dito. Now, jersey number 18 looking for his teammate. And a steal for CSPC. A back-to-back steal.
Now, Spartans with the ball possession. Colyantes passes to Ramos. 18 seconds to shoot here. Back to Ramos. Now, hindi ka na mawala yung bola. An in and out ball. Biscast struggling here to convert a point.
Well, that was an overpass for CSPC. Now the ball possession ngayon ang Spartans.
Now, the CSPC Blue Stallions talagang dinadagdagan nila dito yung kanilang kalamangan na 7 points na po yung kanilang hawak ngayon. Now, Bonito passes on the inside and that's an easy two para dito kay jersey number 44 Colyantes. Nabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng CSPC. But now, jersey number 19 di diretso, no good. Offensive rebound dito. And on the other side, wala para dito kay Cornelio.
Na Ramos, di diretso. Na jersey number 44 chooses his teammate. No good. Agawan ng bola. Ang Biscast dito, makikita talaga natin, nakikipagsabayan sila dito. Makikita natin kung gaano nila talagang tinatrabaho ang mga inside shooting and also outside shooting. Pero I think they have to recalibrate things Kasi matataas ang CSPC. So I think they have to double their time and effort sa outside shooting.
At yun nga yung ginagawa nila pero medyo nakukulangan pa sila dito. But let's see, as they are still adjusting here, Del Valle, bagong pasok, no good on that 3-point attempt. Now, Blue Stallions again on the offense now. 18-13, a minute and 57 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Diang, 13 seconds to shoot here. Pass on the outside, Cornelio. Now on the other side, papasok. And that's an easy two para dito kay Nianggar.
And that was a good execution. Really, the communication of CSPC is the key here. Now, Biscast trying to get a point. Nahihirapan talaga sila dito, but we'll see. Now, dire-diretso. A good pass and a good 2 points.
Now, ito yung kailangan ng Biscast talaga. Good communication and connection sa mga players ng Spartans. Now, let's see if babawi ba dito ang Blue Stallions with a 5-point lead. Diang leading the team. Now, 10 seconds. Tries for a 3-pointer. And that's good para dito sa ating Blue Stallions.
That's shooting 23-15. Really maximizing the outside shooting and inside shooting of CSPC. Now, agawan ng bola.
No, still from the side of the Blue Stallions. Diang now playing with Del Valle. Chooses jersey number 14. And the ball will go on the side of the Spartans here.
Well, that last sequence, nahirapan doon ang CSPC. And again, we'll see, trying for Biscast in terms of their defense. But I think, we'll see kung gaano nila tatrabahuhin to. Now, jersey number 2 passes to his teammate. An outside pass. Now, dire-diretso. And that was a seamless connection and a good point.
Ito yung kailangan ng Biscast. Kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan na medyo nahihirapan sila sa pagpuntos. Pero kapag nagawa nila yon, napakaganda ng connection ng mga players na nagagawa nila
exactly,
with this first quarter. Now, 10 seconds remaining. Still on the lead itong ating Blue Stallions. 23-17. Hindi pa to masyadong malaking kalamangan ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Kayang-kaya pang pagtrabahuhan ng Spartans. But another steal on their side here. Diang now. At dyan na nga po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. 23-17 in favor of the Blue Stallions. We will be back for the second quarter of the game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Now back on the hard court, 23-17 Biscast really doing their best to climb up against the CSPC. Now CSPC with a good communication and a seamless points are really pulling away, but let's see on how this game will turn. Biscast. An outside pass for jersey number 2. Dire-diretso. And that was a good 2 points. Talagang pinaghirapan nila ang puntos na yon with the tall defenders of CSPC.
Now, first basket para dito sa ating second quarter, 23-19. Now, Cornelio with the ball, passes on the inside. Now, Ateneo for a big 3 para dito sa ating Blue Stallions. Hindi pa talaga tapos magpaulan ng 3 itong ating Blue Stallions.
Now, jersey number 2 looking for his teammate. Jersey number 13 carrying that ball. And that was, I guess, a pushing violation.
Now, the CSPC Blue Stallions still have this 7-point lead. At para marinig natin yung update kung ano nga ba yung gagawin pa dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions, let's hear it from Amanda. Hi Amanda, anong balita natin dyan?
Maraming salamat din Aljan. Pressure and ball offense yan ang naging bilin ng coaches sa players sa unang quarter. While the players are still adjusting inside the hard court, we can see at the same time that they are moving so well and guided by one direction. Unang puntos na ang binigay ni jersey number 22 sa grupo na nagpanatili ng kanilang kalamangan laban sa Spartans. Efficient communication and unity is what we saw in the performance of the Stallions. Argentine, ngayong second quarter ay alam nating mas papainitin pa ng dalawang koponan ang laban. Kaya naman yan muna ang updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Amanda. Unity and really good communication. You know, this are the secret for their seamless performance here. Talaga namang very steady in terms of inside and outside shooting, and also they are penetrating their defense against the Biscast. Now, Biscast dito medyo nahihirapan in terms of, you know, converting up points, but I'm sure dito sa timeout na ito magkakaroon sila ng eye-opener on how they are going to work on this performance. Now, to hear an update on the side of Biscast, let's call our courtside reporter, Veronica.
We're now midway through the second quarter. The Biscast Spartans are playing with heart, showing improved defense and making smart plays to stay competitive. The CSPC Blue Stallions, however, are keeping up the pressure, moving the ball efficiently and finding open looks. The Spartans are doing everything they can to match the Stallions' energy. It's anyone's game as we head to the halftime. That is all, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Gia. Ayan nga talagang ginagawa ng Biscast Spartan yung lahat-lahat dito para sa laban nila against the CSPC Blue Stallions dahil hindi nga natin masasabi. At ayan nga, nagkakainatan na dito yung mga players ng Blue Stallions and Spartans.
Yung adrenaline rush din, no? But again, a good sportsmanship will go along the way. I hope that they aren't hurt.
And now, 26-19 still on our scoreboard here. And it will be the ball possession of the CSPC Blue Stallions, Cornelio. Pero quick shoutout lang tayo dito, Aljon. Shoutout kay Lizdin Habala, Evelyn Alcanzar Reyes, and kay Trisha Claire Lumita Baruelo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now an offensive rebound on the side of the Blue Stallions, but no good on that one. Jersey number 24 gets it again, and this time naipasok na nga po ng CSPC Blue Stallions ang puntos na yan, courtesy of Korea.
That was a good point, really maximizing the height here. Jersey number 2 of Biscast passes to his teammate, really struggling here. Jersey number 13 tries, no good. A good rebound. Now CSPC got that ball. An inside pass. And that was good. A good fake for jersey number 35. Courtesy Obelhika. That was a good point. Now Biscast here, trying to convert this into a point.
Miscommunication on the side of the Biscast Spartans. Busito back on the court. And also, para dito kaya Galang, 13-19, double digit na yung hawak ngayon ng ating Blue Stallions. Now, the Biscast Spartans need to do something about this para maibaba yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 35, Belgica. Na passes on the inside, no good on that one. And it will be a turnover para dito sa ating Biscast Spartans. An opportunity for them to lessen that gap of the Blue Stallions.
Now they have to calm themselves here because, you know, 2 digits na dito ang Cspc. Tries for 2 points, no good. Now, turnover dito. Cspc ngayon, ang bola.
No.
Rather, Biscast, I'm sorry now. Jersey number 4, looking for his teammate. And that was a seamless move. Makikita mo kung paano iniwasan dito ang defenders ng Cspc. Let's look at that again. Now, I'm not sure kung nakatingin siya doon sa ring, but, you know, pumasok talaga ang bola. What a good athleticism.
Yes, and of course, small but incredible itong ating mga players ng Biscast. Now, let's see as they continue to get a score here. Naibaba muli nila sa Sham. Bonito passes to jersey number 34 again, but denied by Ateneo.
Now, Ramos will check in.
Now we're almost halfway through our second quarter and still we can see a good play here with the team of Biscast. And kailangan nilang i-maintain yung ganitong klase ng laro nila up until the very end of this matchup. Jersey number 8 tries again, no good. Jersey number 4 now with that rebound. Diang with 17 seconds to shoot. They're taking their time here. Now Diang with the ball tries for a 3-pointer. No good. And Ramos with that rebound.
And a violation here. Ball possession ngayon dito. Ang Biscast. The jersey number 4 carrying that ball. Now, they have to maximize the ball possession here. Kasi nakakakommit dito ng mga errors ang Cspc. And dapat huwag nilang sayangin yon. Now, nahihirapan dito makapenetrate sa loob ang Biscast because of the tall defenders.
Now, grabe din kasi yung mga players dito ng Blue Stallions. Malalaki yung katawan, mas matataas sa Biscast. Kung kaya nahihirapan sila sa opensa. But on the other side, itong ating Cspc Blue Stallions talagang parang kayang-kaya nila. Pero hindi din papatalo itong ating Spartans when it comes to the offense. But on that last sequence, a point conversion here for jersey number 4, Padua.
Now one inside pass. And again, a good move for Ramos. Rather, jersey number 4.
Yes, Busito. And Ramos and Busito, yung talagang napakaganda ng performance dito sa ating Spartans. But now, let's see as Diang. Pero the ball will go on the side of the Biscast. Now, this is an opportunity para dito sa ating Spartans na paunti-unti nilang nakukuha yung kanilang magandang momentum. At ngayon, kailangan lang nilang i-maintain ito. And now, this third ball possession. Galang passes to Ramos for a 3-pointer. That's good! Napakagandang makita na itong ating Biscast Spartans. Pumupuntos talaga dito.
That's true. And no, mind you, Tien, magic bunot yan dito sa side ng Biscast. Ito ang gusto nating makita on how they pull away sa end ng quarter na to. Now, let's see.
Now, Blue Stallions on the offense now. A steal from the side of the Biscast. Busito again. Solong-solo. Now, lessening the gap by 4 points. At dahil dyan, napatawag ng timeout yung ating Cspc Blue Stallions.
That's true, and that was a swift change of momentum here. And you know, di sila takot na mapuntusan, but they are doubling their efforts to get at least back-to-back points sa side ng Biscast.
Kailangan maging consistent nitong ating Spartans if they really want to get this win. At kailangan lang nila, sabi nga natin, consistency is the key dahil mahirap na kapag medyo napalayo na yung kalamangan ng kalaban dahil medyo mahihirapan na silang humabol. But as we can see right now, a 4-point lead, not bad para sa ating Biscast Spartans. So, at this moment, after this timeout, kailangan lang nilang panghawakan yung kanilang momentum dito. But on the other side, the Cspc Blue Stallions, alam natin na gagawa ng paraan para makuha muli yung magandang laro dito.
The Cspc will not give any chance to Biscast, but Biscast, kailangan nilang patunayan kung bakit sila nandito sa game na to. And they have to really go back to their core, their system, and also their pride heading against the Cspc, one of the best teams in Bucal in terms of basketball.
Now, it's the ball possession of the Cspc Blue Stallions. Belgica passes to Diang. Back to jersey number 19. 10 seconds to shoot here. Diang ngayon papasok sa loob. Di alintana yung mga gwardiya. Ramos with that rebound.
Now Ramos dumediretso. A good pass. And that was a seamless point for Biscast. Tatlong magkakasunod na puntos coming from a timeout.
Grabe yung maliliit na players ng Biscast gumagawa ng paraan para mabawasan yung kalamangan na yun. 2 puntos na lamang po ang hinahabol ngayon ng Spartans. Now let's see on the side of the Blue Stallions. And the ball will stay on their side here. 32-30. 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining po sa atin.
That's routine. If I were a player of Cspc, medyo kakabahan ako ng konti dahil very unpredictable dito ang mga players ng Biscast. But we'll see.
Naubusan ng oras itong ating Blue Stallions. So, the Biscast Spartans have a chance here to tie the game on 32-all. And
That's
we're
true.
all excited to see it.
Now, jersey number 4 tries, but no good. An offensive rebound here.
Now, Blue Stallions on the offense now. Diang. 17 seconds to shoot here. Passes on the other side. Now, jersey number 4. Heavily guarded here. At nakuha nga ng Spartans ang ball possession na yan. But jersey number 23 was there to snatch that ball. Now, they're taking their time here. Jersey number 24 now. Still no good. Another one. Wala pa rin. Bosito with that rebound. An opportunity for the Biscast boys. Ramos on the inside. Passes here. A good assist for jersey number 8. And now, nasabi na nga natin.
That's true.
Tied na tayo sa 32.
That was a chef kiss performance and a good point for Biscast. Kahit ang offenders dito ay naghihirapan. And makikita mo talaga, Tin, kung gaano nag-change yung momentum dito. On the first, and ang umaarangkada ang Cspc. But on the tail end of this quarter, talaga namang pinapakitaan dito ng Biscast.
Now, ball possession of the Blue Stallions. Jersey number 24 for a 3-pointer. Muling bumawi itong ating Blue Stallions Korea. Na Biscast, anong magiging sagot sa 3-pointer na yon ni Korea?
Now Ramos here for 3 points, medyo kapos.
At libreng-libre dyan sila Balan. Back-to-back points coming from the side of the Blue Stallions. Now, kailangan na muling manghawakan ito ng Biscast dahil lumalayo muli. And another steal, Balan getting that point.
And a timeout here called by Biscast. Ang bilis ng change ng momentum dito. And now Biscast are quite struggling in terms of being consistent. And now Cspc took over now the momentum, and let's see on how Biscast can recalibrate this moment.
Now we only have 59 seconds remaining on our first half. 39-32. 7 puntos muli yung nagawa ng ating Cspc Blue Stallions na kailangang habulin ngayon ng Biscast. Now with the players of Biscast, we have Ramos, Bosito, na yung maliliit talaga yung gumagawa ng paraan sa kanilang opensa.
and makikita natin kung gaano talagang magagaling din ang mga nasa bench. And I guess, a magic bunot could help sa Biscast, but let's see on how they can, from this time out, kung paano sila magpe-perform.
And now, on the side naman ng ating Blue Stallions, the young leading the team here, talagang napakaganda din ng performance na pinapakita ng CSPC Blue Stallions from the start of Bucal. At sabi nga natin kanina, meron na silang 4 na panalo. And titignan natin kung dadagdagan ba nila yan o itong ating Biscast Spartans gagawa ng paraan para makuha ang kanilang panalo.
That's routine.
Pangalawang panalo dito sa season ng Bucal.
Na back on the ball game. Na ball possession dito.
Yes, ng Biscast Galang. With that ball, Busito ngayon may hawak.
Ramos may hawak dito ng bola. Looking for his teammate. Dire-diretso dito. Challenging the defenders. And a steal for CSPC. And back-to-back steal. Now Biscast have to calm themselves and recalibrate things here. Passes to Ramos. Jersey number 4. Nabitawan ng bola.
And the ball will stay on the side of the Biscast. Now we only have 30 seconds remaining. Now with this 23 seconds remaining on the shot clock of the Biscast, kailangan nilang gumawa ng paraan dito.
Now jersey number 4 passes to Ramos, the magic bunot. Nabitawan ng bola and a steal for CSPC and a back-to-back steal. What is happening, Tien?
Now Biscast, jersey number 34. Now Labalad passes to jersey number 19. No good.
Naubusan na dito ng oras. It's 39 against 32. Biscast are trying to hold on and CSPC are trying to pull this on. And now magbabalik po kami for more action only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI.
Now back on the hard court. Now Biscast trying, but that was a missed point. Now that stats is here. We'll see on how both teams differ from each other in terms of their performance. Now in terms of defensive rebounds, hindi nagkakalayo dito. Biscast had 5 against 9 of CSPC. But in terms of assist, talaga ditong napatunayan ng CSPC on how good they are in terms of communication. It's 9 of Biscast against 11 of CSPC. Now, titingnan natin dito kung makakabawi dito ang Biscast against CSPC. It's 39-34. Now Ramos will step in the free throw. A sure and precise free throw for Ramos. A magic bunot din. Sabi nga natin, nagpaulan ng 3 points kanina, and let's see kung makakakuha pa siya dito ng mga 3 points. And that was a back-to-back free throw for Ramos.
Now, CSPC Blue Stallions on the offense now. Labalan passes to jersey number 15. 13 seconds to shoot here. Now on the inside, no good. Nagkakaagawa ng bola dito. Busito having that rebound. Now passes here to Ramos. Nagmamadali, but another steal here coming from Labalan. Now goes inside, and a foul was whistled here.
Na ball position dito ngayon ng Biscast. Or rather, free throw ng CSPC. Now, Biscast here have to be careful in terms of their errors, because if they can, minimize this, they can actually convert that into a point. And now, CSPC Now, jersey number 4. Looking for his teammate. Nahihirapan dito. And, to give us an update on the side of Biscast, let's call our courtside reporter, Veronica.
The third quarter is underway and the Spartans are refusing to back down. They've come up stronger after halftime, stepping up their defense and taking advantage of fast break opportunities. Meanwhile, the CSPC Blue Stallions are staying composed, answering back with solid teamwork and consistent scoring. Both teams are leaving it all on the court, and this game is shaping up to a thriller. Can the Spartans maintain their momentum, or will the Stallions pull ahead as the final stretch? That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Veronica. Ayan nga, nag-step up na itong ating Biscast Spartans dito sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter, which is very good dahil ngayon nga kung kanina medyo napalayo muli yung puntos dito ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Pero ngayon, 3 puntos na lamang yung hinahabol ngayon ng Spartans. Now it is their ball possession here. Galang with the ball, 12 seconds to shoot, tries for a mid-range jumper, in and out ball. Sayang yun para dito sa kanila. At on the other side, the CSPC Blue Stallions still have that ball possession. One player, Labalan, is down now. And to hear the play from the side of the Blue Stallions, let's hear it from Amanda. Hi Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Teen and Aljan. From the first half of the game, the Stallions are reminded to go strong to get the game plan. They're now driving the ball and giving a 1-2 defense against the Biscast Spartans. The Stallions are continuously trying to pick 3 points at a time to maintain their momentum. Malakas na depensa nga ang pinapakita sa atin ng blue team kung saan mararamdaman natin kung gaano sila kauhaw sa pagkapanalo. Bago nga matapos ang huddle at kanina ay pinaalala ni Coach Peter na huwag sayangin ang role ng big man sa loob ng hardcourt at panatilihing tutok sa bola ang kanilang atensyon. It's still an unpredictable game because we still have another half to witness. That's only the updates for now. Maraming salamat, Tin and Aljan.
Thank you so much, Amanda. It's a solid defense. Talaga naman ang pinapakita dito ng CSPC. They're trying to slow the Biscast here and using their height advantage, to take over the points and in terms, to drive this competition on their good.
Now, it's the ball possession of the Blue Stallions here. Talagang gustong-gusto nilang makuha itong panalo na to ngayong hapon na ito. Now, let's see here. As we are now on the 7 minutes and 55 seconds mark of the game here. Cornelia now to inbound. Now, let's see here. Blue Stallions passes to jersey number 11 now. Back to Cornelio. And the whistle foul here for jersey number 27, Galang. Now, it is still the ball possession of the Spartans here, or the Biscast, or the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, a steal from the Biscast here. Bosito again with the ball, libre. Getting that point, making it just a 1-point lead here against the Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 11 passes to Cornelio. Back to Labalan. Now, 15 seconds to shoot here. Cornelio for a 3-pointer. That's good. Itong si Cornelio talaga from the last season. Naaalala ko pa, ang dami niya talagang outside shooting na ginagawa dito sa CSPC Blue Stallions. And up until now, consistent siya doon sa performance na pinapakita niya.
That's shooting. That was a seamless 3 points. A good pass. Now, an offensive rebound here for CSPC. Tries on the outside. Balik sa CSPC. And no good. Now, napapakita naman dito ngayon as of the moment ang Biscast in terms of their defense. However, talaga namang dinodominate dito ang pointing ng CSPC.
Now, Labalan will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. 44-40, making it 45. Now, Labalan for her second free throw. No good on that one. Nakakagawa dito ng bola. And the ball will stay on the side of the Blue Stallions. A good defense from their side. Now, 14 seconds to shoot here on their side. Nasa baba. Pero a whistled foul here. Jersey number 26 will be on the free throw line.
Well, that's routine. A lot of errors here committed by Biscast. Kung naghahabol ka talaga, you have to really minimize your violation kasi talagang matitake over yan ng opponent mo, and we'll see kung paano sila babawi dito with the free throw of jersey number 26.
Yes. Now, Culibar for his second free throw. No good at all. Pero an offensive rebound on the side of the Blue Stallions. No good on the three-point attempt of Cornelio. Pero bola pa rin to ng Blue Stallions. Now, Ateneo, too short for that one. Now, Biscast Spartans on the offense now.
Now, jersey number 4 passes to his teammate on the outside. And that was a good 3 points for jersey number 7.
Yes, Tadeo having that big 3 for his team. Pero babawi ba si Stallions? Pero an offensive foul. Sayang sana yung 3-point
That's
attempt
routine.
dito ni Cornelio.
Naon lang napituhan doon yung violation.
Now, Biscast Spartans on the offense. Jersey number 4, Busito, passes to Galang, loses it, and a steal from the side of the Blue Stallions. Ateneo having that fast break.
That was an open point for Ateneo. Really, maximizing a good communication here and also a good passes. Now, Biscast here, driving the ball. Passes on the outside. No good. Now, bola dito ngayon ng CSPC.
47-43, a layup, no good. But jersey number 26.
Ang gandang alalay nun, Tin. Wala talagang sayang dito ang mga puntos ng CSPC.
Culibar with that point and a foul here. At mapapatawag nga ng timeout dyan ng ating Spartans. 49-43. Napakaganda lang kasi doon sa mga huling laro dito ng Biscast, medyo malayo-layo yung nagagawa ng kanilang mga kalaban.
That's
Pero
true.
as of the moment, 6 na puntos lang yung kanilang hinahabol dito. So they still have a chance here to secure the win against the CSPC Blue Stallions.
Exactly, Tin. A huge chance.
But as we can see right now with the performance of the Blue Stallions, they are determined to get this win against the Spartans, and we only have 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter, at mahaba-haba pa po ito. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari ngayong hapon
And
ito.
if you are a leading team in terms of this round, talagang gugustuhin mong tapusin as early as possible yung competition. Pero kung naghahabol ka, you have to really showcase your skills. Talagang patunayan mo kung bakit nandito ka sa competition na to. And Biscast, I'm certain na talagang papakitaan tayo ng magandang game dito. At lalo na, yung kalaban nila ngayon is one of the top-seeded team dito sa Bucal.
And now, the Biscast Spartans now on the penalty here. 49-43, 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining here. Now, let's see what will be the adjustment of the Spartans here after that timeout. And Culibar will be on the free throw line after that whistled foul here. And it will be a 3-point opportunity for him. Now, Culibar for his bonus free throw. That's good. Now, it's the ball possession of the Spartans. Busito with the ball. Taking up their time here. 18 seconds to shoot for the side of the Spartans. Busito goes inside, loses that ball. Miscommunication on their side. Now, Cornelio. Ball will stay on the side of the Spartans here. Now, they need to take this opportunity to lessen that gap of the Blue Stallions.
Now, bola dito ngayon ng Biscast. Heavily guarded here. An outside pass. Tries for 3. And that was an exceptional 3 points.
Doon pa lang sa ball rotation ng Biscast Spartans, napakaganda na nung nakita natin. At sigurado makukuha yung 3-pointer na yon. Now, let's see. As the Blue Stallions on the offense now, heavily guarded here. Culibar nagkakaagawan ng bola. Bosito was there to get that ball. Now, nagmamadali dito, but a whistle foul was committed on the side of the Blue Stallions, 50-46.
Well, makikita dito talaga, hindi binibitawan ng CSPC in terms of their defense. Now, open shot sana yon, but you know, Biscast here, chance, ball possession nila ngayon, 46-50. Now, one attempt, no good. Kaagawan dito ng bola. Jersey number 35, looking for his teammate.
Now, Belgica passes to Ateneo. Ateneo naman ngayon titira ng tres. Napakalinis po ng tres na yon coming from Ateneo, extending their lead here by 7 points. Now, another steal from the side of the Blue Stallions. Belgica goes inside for the layup. A 5 points straight para sa side ng Blue Stallions.
The Biscast here have to do their plan here. Just to get a point. Now jersey number 4 looking for his teammate, an inside pass. Tadeo. And that was again an exceptional 3 points.
Yes. Tadeo. Kanina na tumira din ng tres itong si Tadeo. Napakaganda. Isa sa mga inaasahan na players dito sa side ng Spartans. Pero bumawi agad yung ating Blue Stallions. Hindi pumasok ang tira dyan. Now, Blue Stallions again on the offense. 57-49. An 8-point lead here. Ateneo again on the corner for a 3-pointer. No good. Tadeo with that rebound.
And that was a miscue on the side of Biscast. Now, a substitution here on the side of CSPC.
Both teams are now on the penalty. 57-49. Now, Labalan passes to Ateneo. Now to Cornelio. 16 seconds to shoot here. Papasok sa loob. Cornelio para sa tres. Napakalinis para sa side ng ating Blue Stallions. And this we're talking about the offense and the defense of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Kitang-kita natin simula pa ng first quarter. At talagang nag-i-improve sila. Hanggang sa patagal ng patagal itong kanilang matchup against the Biscast Spartans.
And also, talagang balance yung defense nila and offense talaga nila. Talaga nakikipagsabayan in terms of their skills. Now, we'll see. Can Biscast get this free throw?
Now, Galang on the free throw line here. 60-49, back to double-digit lead itong ating Blue Stallions. Now, kailangan maipasok ito ni Galang yung isang free throw na lamang niya para bumaba sa 10 yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng Blue Stallions, and that's good. Now, ball possession of the Blue Stallions here. Ateneo with the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Now they are taking their time here. Heavily guarded. Passes on the inside, but loses it. Colliantes with that steal. Now, Del Valle with the ball. Passes on the other side, loses it. Labalan secured it for the side of the Blue Stallions. Ateneo nagmamadali dito. Pero Colliantes was there to secure that ball. Denied by jersey number 24. But still, the ball possession of the Spartans here. Del Valle double team. Pass to jersey number 34. And the ball will stay on the side of the Spartans.
No, team, makikita mo kung gaano talaga dito pinapahirapan ang Biscast in terms of they're, getting a point because of the tall defenders ng CSPC. Now, Biscast here has the ball. Nahihirapan dito, heavily guarded. Again. And bola dito ngayon ng CSPC.
Grabe yung depensa ng CSPC Blue Stallions dito against the Biscast Spartans. Talagang hindi nila hinahayaan na makapasok at naumbos na nga yung oras dito ng Spartans. And now, 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining here. Now let's see as the Blue Stallions have this ball possession. Labalan goes inside, pass to jersey number 4. No good. And the ball will stay on the side of the Blue Stallions.
no, even mga ball chances dito sa Biscast, nabibitawan nila. And I think they're feeling the pressure right now. However, malayo-layo pa ito. Now we're hoping na makabawi sila dito.
Now, jersey number 24, passes to Cornelio. Cornelio for a mid-range jumper. That's good. Naipasok pa ni Cornelio yun. Now, one of the key players of the Blue Stallions here.
Now, jersey number 34, heavily guarded.
Now, a pushing foul was called to jersey number 8, Ateneo. Jersey number 34 for 2 free throws here. No good on that one. 56 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Napakabilis lang ng oras. So, the Spartans needs to double their effort now dahil papunta na po tayo sa pinakahuling quarter and last opportunity para sa kanilang koponan. Now, Labalan. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes to jersey number 4. No good. And a whistled foul. 2 free throws.
Now, 2 free throws here on the tail end of this quarter. Now, we'll see jersey number 13 can get this point. Now, a sure free throw. First free throw.
39 seconds remaining. Now, still on the lead ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions, having that 10-point lead here. Now, Stallions ball possession here. Labalan passes to jersey number 4. Back to Labalan here. 15 seconds on the other corner. Cornelio again for a 3-pointer. No good this time. And the ball will go on the side of the Spartans with only 25 seconds remaining for our third quarter.
And a back-to-back favor here on the side of Biscast. And they have to really maximize these favors, to really convert it into a point. Nagahabol pa rin sila dito with only 25 seconds remaining.
Jersey number 34 now on the free throw line. That's good. Kahit yung mga free throws dito ng Biscast, kailangan nilang maipasok dahil ito na yung opportunity para sa kanila na mabawasan yung kalamangan na hawak ng Blue Stallions. And that's 2-on-2 para sa free throw ng Spartans. Now, ball possession of the Blue Stallions here. Ateneo goes on the other corner for a 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound, jersey number 4 having that second chance point. Kudos para dito kay Padua.
Jersey number 34. On that try is no good. CSPC trying to get one. Now 64-54. Now we're going on the tail end of this competition. Magbabalik po kami for more action only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
back for the fourth and final quarter of the game of the matchup of the CSPC Blue Stallions and the Biscast Spartans. 64-54 on our scoreboard. 10 puntos po ang hawak ngayon ng ating Blue Stallions.
It's all for nothing dito dahil nasa tail end na tayo. And the last day of elimination rod, now CSPC on the outside shooting, no good. No, bola pa rin yan ng Stallions.
Now, this is the last opportunity para sa Biscast na talagang tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang laban dito. Now, steal from the side. Bosito, no good. Sayang yun. Now, jersey number 24 having that ball possession here. Pero, court violation was committed on the side of the Stallions here.
The ball possession ngayon dito ang Biscast. Well, see kung paano nila dito paano sila makakuha ng points dito. Naghihirapan dito. Ramos, heavily guarded. Talagang solid ang depensa dito ng CSPC.
Now Ramos to inbound. At naubusan na nga ng oras dyan ng ating Spartans. At dito sa ating fourth quarter, ano kaya yung gagawin na gameplay ng CSPC Blue Stallions para mapanatili yung momentum sa kanilang side? Eto here in the play from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Let's hear it from Amanda. Hi Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Teen and Algin. Naging maganda nga ang opensa at rebounds ng Stallions pero nagkukulang pa rin sila sa consistency sa loob ng hardcourt. Kapag nagkakaroon ng substitution of players, nababago rin ang galaw ng Stallions kaya minaigi ni Coach Adonis na ipaalala sa players na panatilihin ang magandang galaw, depensa at komunikasyon sa loob. Always deny the ball of the opponent to get all the opportunities in getting a score. Coach Peter told the players that their ball passage is good, yet they still need to watch over the game of the Spartans. Their failures last time is one of their motivations for this game. Ultimately ready to give the defeat of the Biscast Spartans. The Stallions are working double to claim their fifth win and clinch this battle. So let's stay tuned for the remaining actions and let's witness the last quarter for this game only here at Bucal official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda. So very strategic talaga dito ang analysis ni Coach. Talagang nagkakalapse sila dito in terms of substituting their players, but in terms of their defense, talagang solid. Hindi talaga pinapakawalan dito ang Biscast. And to give us some update on the side of Biscast, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Tanji.
It's the final quarter and the game is reaching its climax. The Biscast Spartans are giving it their all, fighting hard to claim their next win. Their energy and determination are evident, but the CSPC Blue Stallions are not making it easy. They're staying aggressive and executing under pressure. Every possession counts now, and the atmosphere in the gym is good. Will Spartans pull off a breakthrough victory, or will the Stallions hold their ground and steal the win? We're about to witness an incredible finish. This is Veronica Nacario reporting live via One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Thank you so much, Veronica. At yan nga, itong ating Blue Stallions, this is their last opportunity to get a win here against the CSPC Blue Stallions. And as we can see right now, they are really determined to get it. Pero 13 points na nga yung hinahabol nila ngayon sa CSPC Blue Stallions. While on the other side, the Blue Stallions patuloy-tuloy lang doon sa kanilang pagpuntos at pagpalaki ng kanilang kalamangan against the Biscast Spartans. And now ball possession, Ramos denied here, heavily guarded. Jersey number 19 was there to steal that ball.
Well, now a good defense here. And a steal for Biscast, trying to get this point.
Offensive rebound. Bosito was there to get that point, and with that, Ichama was called on the side of the Biscast Spartans. 67-56. We will be back for more actions only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Now back on the ball game dito, talagang pinapakitaan tayo dito ng CSPC kung sino ang magaling. But on the side of Biscast, they're trying their best to really hang on in this competition and also para hindi sila matambakan. And I think they can, do a recalibration in terms of their tactics kung paano sila makakalusot sa solid defense dito ng CSPC.
Now, with 7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining, let's see Blue Stallions to get on the offense, and a foul was whistled here. Jersey number 4 will be on the free throw line here. Padua. At kung makikita na nga natin dito, shoutout muna tayo dito ng napakabilis. Shoutout kay Kim Monteroso, James Angelo Gabarda, Jameson Brenya, Janaila Basales, Parniela Berido, kay Leyan, yan, kay Ma'am Leyan, shoutout po. Now, a steal from the side of the Blue Stallions here. Ateneo with that easy two.
And a timeout was called by Biscast. Nahihirapan sila dito and we'll see kung paano sila makakabawi dito.
Ayan, magbabalik po kami.
Now back on the hard court, 71-56. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Now jersey number 4, looking for his teammate Ramos. Heavily guarded. Now, CSPC dito umaarangkada. And that was a seamless point for CSPC.
Yes, jersey number 19, Nianggar, having that easy two. Napakaganda ng performance na dito against the Biscast Spartans. At palaki na ng palaki yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Now let's see, as the Spartans tries no good. At meron pa po tayong 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. And a good assist of Bosito kay Ramos. At muling babalik dito sa magandang laro itong ating Spartans. 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Ramos, 13 seconds to shoot here. Tries one more time. No good this time. So it will be the ball possession of the Blue Stallions here.
The Blue Stallions here ay umaarangkada. Jersey number 7. Passes to his teammate. Now another pass. No good on that attempt. Now Biscast here, challenging the defenders. Makikita mo talaga din na hindi binibitawan dito ng defenders ng CSPC ni hindi man lang nakaka-attempt dito ang Biscast. However, nakuha nila dito ang free throw. We'll see kung makukuha nila dito ang puntos na ito.
We're halfway through our fourth quarter. At kung sakali man na makuha ng CSPC Blue Stallions sa kanilang panalo dito, ay meron na silang 5 panalo dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now 73-59, the pickup of the Blue Stallions to the Biscast Spartans. And jersey number 26 back on the court here.
another free throw for Biscast. And they get that one.
No, it's the Blue Stallions ball possession here. Spartans now on the penalty. Diang. 17 seconds to shoot here. A quick shoutout lang tayo dito, Aljon, sa ating mga live viewers, kay Cristina Valenzuela, Karen K. Escaro, Carla May Calleja, at kay Erica De Lima. And of course, kay Leanne Nieva, Brian, and Marniela Berido. And of course, Kim Monteroso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay.
Now, Ramos will checking in for free throw. Kanina umaarangkada si Ramos, but you know, he was silenced by the defenders of Cspc. Makikita talaga natin kung paano nilalaro ng Cspc ang kanilang depensa. Now, Ramos nakuha ang unang free throw.
And of course, si Ramos, grabe din yung tinabaho niya during the second quarter and the third quarter of the game. Kung kaya naman ngayon, parang chance naman sa ibang players ng Blue Stallions or ng Biscast rather, to really step up their game here. Now, Blue Stallions, Tiang passes to Cornelio. Cornelio now, having that easy too. Grabe yung mga players dito ng ating Blue Stallions. Lahat nag-contribute para sa puntos. Napakalaking kalamangan nga yung hawak nila ngayon against the Spartans.
That was a good 3-point. Well, nakita natin yung kanina, first and second quarter, pero nawala yun ng third quarter. And maybe kailangan nilang maibalik ang outside shooting nila. Well, 16 seconds on the shot clock.
Now, 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining here for our final quarter. 77-64. Now, jersey number 22 will be on the free throw line here for 2 shots. Maglapid of the Blue Stallions here. Now, Maglapad. Again. Second free throw, no good. Offensive rebound dito para kay Cornelio. Passes to Diang. Diang now back to Cornelio with 10 seconds to shoot here. Now goes inside and got that easy 2 points. Extending their lead here against the Spartans. Now Ramos goes inside. Pero nakuha ng
Now, that was a back-to-back steal for Biscast. At talagang tinrabaho nila ang puntos na yon. Well, no, kailangan ng Biscast ditong tulungan si Ramos at kailangan din also mag-step up ng iba. Kasi kung si Ramos hindi talaga kakayanin, we'll see kung sino dito ang makakatulong ni Ramos. And that last sequence, that was a good point for Cspc.
At ito nga ating Blue Stallions, tuloy-tuloy lang yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. Hindi alintana kahit hindi sila nagiging complacent dito. At talagang binibigay nila yung lahat-lahat dito sa larong ito against the Biscast Spartans.
As ball possession ngayon dito ang Cspc. With a huge gap here. Again, 66 points ng Biscast. And a steal for Biscast here. Umaarangkada, yet heavily guarded. A back-to-back steal here. A solid defense ang pinapakita ngayon ng Cspc.
No good in that last sequence now. Ramos again with the ball. Ooh, denied by jersey number 26 now. Blue Stallions ball possession here. 19 seconds to shoot. Now, 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining dito sa ating final quarter. And jersey number 26 was there to get that basket. Kudos dito kay Kulibar.
$16 seconds on the shot clock. Now, Biscast here, trying their best to get a point. 2 players down. The Cspc ngayon, ball possession.
Yes, they just need to lessen that big gap of the Blue Stallions at ibalik nila yung magandang laro nila during the third quarter of the game. Now, jersey number 19 tries, no good. And an offensive rebound dito. Cornelio again. Passes on the other side. 6 seconds on the shot clock here. Now, tries for a 3-pointer. That's too short for that one. No substitution for both sides. Padua on the side of the Spartans. And jersey number 22 maglapit babalik sa side ng ating Blue Stallions. At ngayon, dito na nga tayo sa last 2 minutes of the game here. Now let's see if this momentum of the CSPC Blue Stallions will continue here. Now Busito passes on the outside. Balbido ngayon may hawak ng bola. Goes inside. Tries. No good. Ateneo was there to get it. Now nagmamadali dito for a fast break. Jersey number 15.
And a timeout in was called by Biscast here. We're now on the tail end of this fourth quarter. I think one of the problems here ng Biscast is their consistency. Kanina, first 3 quarters, talagang nakakahabol pa sila. However, talagang nabaon na sila dito. Dito naman sa Biscast, CSPC, pinatunayan talaga nilang top-seeded sila dito sa season ng Bucal.
And now, 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining na lamang po dito sa ating matchup ng CSPC Blue Stallions and the Biscast Spartans. 85-66 on our scoreboard. Both teams are now on the penalty. At hinihintay na lang natin ang ating final announcement kung sino nga ba ang ating panalo ngayong hapon na to, which is very clear because we only have 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining, and with that big gap of the CSPC Blue Stallions, we're just waiting for the confirmation of them getting this win this evening.
Now Biscast here has the ball. Again, heavily guarded by CSPC. Now we'll see on how CSPC can end this quarter.
Now Cornelio passes to jersey number 22. 8 seconds on the shot clock here. Goes inside. And another point for their team. Extending the lead here. 87-66. Big gap para dito sa ating Blue Stallions. Now another turnover here. Jersey number 22. We only have 52 seconds remaining. 15 seconds to shoot here. Cornelio passes here to jersey number 4. Loses that ball. Biscast stealing it. Now nagbabadala dito. Now let's see. Heavily guarded. Denied by the Blue Stallions.
Well, talagang solid talaga din ang depensa dito ng CSPC. Even ang open shot down nakukuha pa din ng CSPC. Now, heavily guarded naman ang CSPC and ball possession ngayon.
21 seconds remaining. Para dito sa ating matchup, 87-66 Beringuela.
Now 16 seconds, 87-66 CSPC feeling it the win against Biscast. Now it was also a difficult matchup on the side of Biscast, but let's commend how good they are. The first time in Bucal. Biscast, congratulations, and also kudos to CSPC for showing us a great skill and athleticism in basketball. Magbabalik po kami for more action only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Realize your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City. And live 5 minutes away from Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City churches, Naga City universities, and secondary learning institutions. Palm Village is developed by Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream communities using a RISE technology, making your family's home the safest with solid...
And our best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Residences. Live your dreams, create memories. At ngayon nga po, Cspc Blue Stallions ang nakakuha ng panalo ngayong gabing ito. At ang ating best player of the game is none other than jersey number 8, Noel Ateneo with 19 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Ngayon, Noel, gaano ba kaimportante itong panalo ng Cspc Blue Stallions?
Importante po talaga para makapasok po kami sa maka-top 2 po kami para makapasok sa next game.
Pero ngayon, ano ba yung paghahanda ng Cspc Blue Stallions doon sa mga nagdaan na laro nila?
Ngayon po halos konti lang yung training po namin and talagang sobrang dahil sa nangyari sa atin.
At ngayon, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, pwede mong pasalamatan lahat ng mga supporters mo. And of course, batiin mo din ang inyong family.
Shout out po pala sa Cspc and sa family ko and sa mga tropa ko. And sa nagperam sa akin ng sapatos. Salamat.
Ayan, thank you so much. Again, that's our best player of the game coming from the side of the Cspc Blue Stallions. Jersey number 8, Noel Ateneo, brought to you by Lemon Residences. And that's our best player of the game. Again, napakaganda po ng performance na pinakita sa atin ng Cspc Blue Stallions. But again, congratulations sa ating Biscast Spartans. Again, I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes.
And I'm Aljon C. Bulupoge. Thank you so much, Bucal, for inviting me this evening.
And of course, marami pa po tayong larong papanoorin at next week, play-in na po ang ating mapapanood for our Bucal Season 6 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.